logical data type. We are going to discuss essential things like what it is, how MATLAB handles it, how to create variables, and the must known operations. With this, we'll also explore common mistakes to avoid, considering performance tips, and show practical examples for the logical data type. So, without wasting time, let's get started. So, the logical data type. This data type is essential for decision making and control flow in your script. In MATLAB, the logical data type is used to represent true or false state. These logical values are stored as 1 for true and 0 for false. Each logical variable occupies a single byte in memory, and this is done to align with the standard memory addressing in the most computing system. And now the question is how to assign this logical variable. Creating logical variable can be as simple as assigning a logical condition. Let me show you that. First let me write CLC clear all, and now here we have three variables. When we run these three variables, we have three logic class variable. A has 1, B has 0, and C has 1 cross 4 logic matrix. Let's open it, and here you can see there is only ones and zeros, where 1 indicates true and 0 indicates false. This logic data type supports standard logic operations such as AND, OR, NOT, like that. Now let me show you how you can use this thing. Here we are doing various operations with A and B. Let's run this thing. A and B result 0, A or B result 1, A not result 0. And this is pretty much obvious. You will find some common issues with logical type, and this will arise when you are using it with numerical operations or in place where numerical type is required and you are putting logical type. And in that particular condition, MATLAB will not throw errors, but the result might be unexpected. So you need to be very careful when mixing logical types with numerical operations. Now if we talk about the performance, using logical data type, you can enhance the performance in conditions and indexing, especially with the large arrays, as they are more memory efficient and faster to process than the numeric type, because there is only ones or zeros, and that is why they are much faster. Let me show you one of the simple use of this logic data type, and that is in filtering data. Suppose you have an array of numbers and you want to find elements that are greater than a certain threshold. Here we have random numbers from 1 to 10 and our threshold is 0.5. So the data that is above 0.5 that we're supposed to find. Now let me run this thing, and here is the answer. Here we are creating a random matrix. Our threshold is 0.5 and we are looking for the values that is greater than 0.5. Now let me comment it for some time and let's run this thing. And here you can see this is our data that has been checked for our threshold of 0.5, and this is the filtered data, and you can see how the fast operation is. So this covers the logical data type in MATLAB, and you can see it's incredibly useful for controlling program flow and manipulating database.